Hello, good morning. I hope you are all well. A lot has happened in Ozdensde, or wherever we are, in the last day. I've got a lot to tell you. I think Natalia has been kicked out of the competition. She seems to be, to me, not such a nice lady. I thought she was so nice and kind. On the first day she was very warm to me. But actually she was a little bit cruel. And last night she got, well, we have nice night. We have nice meal and a couple of glasses of the wine. But I don't drink much, so it's not, I am not a drinker. So I didn't drink a lot. But she has a lot of wine. And I have got a feeling she's an alcoholic. She went crazy. I never seen anything like it in my life. She went crazy. She was running around and screaming and throwing things. And she did all sorts. Do you know what she did? She cut up with a pair of scissors my favorite dress that I wore on the Skolka dating function night. She actually snipped it in pieces. It was my favorite dress from Moscow. And then the worst thing happened. She told me that this hair is ugly. She says it does not look nice for me, but I am even uglier without this hair, with my own hair. So she grabbed this. I'm going to show you what she did. She made me feel so bad with the hair. I don't want it anymore. Look what she did. She has, can you see this? I'll try to show you. She has taken my hair and cut it all at the back, so it's all short. She even cut a bit underneath my own hair like that. And then she took this and she cut it. And now I don't know what to do, because now Alexander is going to see me. But she says that I am ugly with that hair. Anyway, that's the start of it. So she started going crazy, and I think she indecently touched Nina. That's all I know. And then I think Nina perhaps made a phone call to the Skolka dating manager, and they arrived in a black car and escorted her away. Yes, that's what they did. They escorted her off of the premises, and we not see her again. I don't know where she is. I think she has been asked to leave the competition. I don't know for sure, but that is my feeling. I don't know, I guess you're to know most. Maybe ask her, send her a message, ask her, because we know nothing. I don't even know if she's on the YouTube anymore. Perhaps she's not in the competition, but I am sad about it because she seemed such a nice lady. But I suppose you never know. You can never trust anyone, and that is what I have learned. So I'm sorry I'm not very cheerful, but I am very upset about my hair. I go now.